Good morning, everyone. How are you all? You all are good? So, children, today we will learn the next two shapes in your numeracy subject, okay? But before that, let's start with the prayer. So, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. Let's start, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. One more time repeat the prayer, children. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. So children, let's start with the numeracy subject. In your numeracy subject, in your last lecture, हमने कौन से दो शेप सीखे थे? Circle and rectangle, right? So today we will learn the next two shapes, okay? Why I am taking two shapes together? Because in your last academic year also we have learned the shapes, right? So the next two shapes that we are going to learn today is square and triangle, okay? So you all are ready? So children, what you can see on your screen? Which shape is this? This is a square. What is this? इस shape का नाम क्या है? Square. Okay? Square के सभी sides equal होते हैं. जैसे rectangle के opposite sides equal होते हैं, मैंने बताया ना, वैसे ही square के all sides equal होते हैं. Okay? Square के 4 sides होते हैं. There are 4 sides in square shape and all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, so now we will see, I'll show you some examples for the shape square. Okay, children, see what you can see on your screen. What is this? Tell me the name of this object. Table. Look at this table. टेबल के सभी साइड सेम है. लेफ्ट, राइट, अप, डाउन, ऑल द 4 साइड्स, जो 4 कॉर्नर्स है वो सेम है. राइट, सेम है, एक जैसा है. तो दिस टेबल इज ऑफ विच शेप? स्क्वायर शेप. अंडरस्टूड? Now what you can see? Wall clock, right? Look at the sides of the wall clock. जो sides है wall clock के वो same है, एक जैसा है. So which shape is this? जो shape का side same होता है, sides, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Square. Which shape is this? Square. Now what you can see on your screen? What is this? Bread slice. You all eat bread, right? What is this? Bread slice. Now you tell me what is the shape of this bread slice? Square. Why? क्योंकि bread slice के सभी sides same है, एक जैसा है, right? So what is the shape of this bread slice? Square. Now this is the next example for square. What you can see on your screen? Carom board, right? You all like to play carom. आप लोग carom खेलते हो घर पे? So tell me what is the shape of this carom board? Square. Why? Because all the sides, all the corners of the carom board is same. Carom board के सभी sides same है. Then what is the shape? Which shape is the carom board? Square. The shape of the carom board is square. I repeat, this is the shape square. Square has 4 sides and all sides are equal. Okay, 4 sides, 4 corners and all sides are equal. Understood? Now we will see the next shape, that is triangle. Okay, so children, the shape which you can see on your screen is triangle. Okay, जैसे स्क्वायर के 4 साइड्स होते हैं ना, वैसे ही ट्राइंगल के सिर्फ 3 साइड्स होते हैं, ओनली 3 साइड्स. ओके, okay children, 3 sides, 3 corners. Understood? Yes, understood. This is the shape triangle which has 3 sides, 3 corners. Okay, now we will see some examples. I'll show you some pictures for the shape triangle. Okay, now children, what you can see, I have taken one hanky, right, handkerchief. If I will fold this handkerchief in this way, अगर मैं वो handkerchief ऐसे fold करूँगी तो ये कौन सा shape बन जाएगा? Triangle. Why? क्योंकि इसके 3 sides होते हैं. क्या होते हैं? 3 sides. You can see 1, 2 and 3. Right? 3 sides है. Take a hanky and fold it in this way, then which shape it will become? Triangle. Understood? Now what you can see in my hand? This is a sandwich. Now tell me, what is the shape of the sandwich? Triangle. Why? Because it has 3 sides. It has 3 sides. The shape of this sandwich is triangle. Now look at the picture of the house. House का roof देखो जो pink color है. Look at the roof of the house, the pink color roof. Tell me, what is the shape of the roof? Triangle. What is the shape of the roof? Triangle. Why? It has how many sides? 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. Understood? Triangle shape has 3 sides. Square shape has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. Understood? Now children, you will understand the shape square and triangle very well when you practice in your numeracy skill sheet book. Okay? जब आप practically objects देखोगे ना, at that time you will understand the shapes very well. Okay, so now, but I have taught you all one small rhyme for the shape circle and rectangle, right? In the same way, I will tell you one small rhyme to understand the shapes very well. Okay, for the shape square. So let's start with the rhyme. It's a square, it's a square, what can you see? What can you see? It has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Right? This is a square. It has 4 sides and all sides are equal. Square के सभी sides same है. Right? One more time repeat the rhyme. It's a square. It's a square. What can you see? What can you see? It has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Right? Now we will see one rhyme for the shape triangle also. Okay? So let's start a rhyme for triangle. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. What can you see? What can you see? It has 3 sides. It has 3 sides. 3 corners too. 3 corners too. One more time. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. What can you see? What can you see? It has three sides. It has three sides. Three corners too. Three corners too. Right? ट्राइंगल के थ्री साइड्स भी है और थ्री कॉर्नर्स भी है ना? Yes. So now I hope you all understood. Now you will get thorough when you practice in your numeracy skill sheet book. Okay, children? Now we will show you the pages what you have to practice for the shape square and triangle. So children, this is your numeracy skill sheet book. In this book now we will see the pages that you all have to practice for the shape square. Okay. So children, this is the topic square. Okay, and this is your page number 46. On this page you have to practice square. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको क्या किया है, क्या दिया है? Square, a square shape whose all four sides are equal. A shape whose all four sides are equal is called as a square. जो शेप मैंने बताया था ना आपको, स्क्वायर के पूरे साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. यू कैन लुक ओवर हियर. दिस इज अ स्क्वायर, स्माइलिंग स्क्वायर. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो जो साइड्स है ये पूरे इक्वल है ना? मैंने बताया था ना आपको, रेक्टेंगल में क्या होता है, ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. जैसे ये और ये इक्वल होता है और ये इक्वल होता है. बट स्क्वायर में क्या होता है, सभी साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. फॉर द शेप ऑफ स्क्वायर, इन द स्क्वायर शेप ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच इज गिवन इन दिस पेज नंबर 46 फॉर द शेप स्क्वायर. ओके, स्क्वायर. विच शेप इज दिस? स्क्वायर. कैरम बोर्ड. This watch, wall clock, square shape. Okay, what is this? Square shape. See this gift box, square shape, all sides are equal. Chessboard, square shape. देखो सारे साइड इक्वल है. Square shape. Look at the sides. Yes. See this window, square shape, right? All the sides are equal. Okay, so on this page number 46 you can see the objects with the shape square. So now come to the next page. This is your page number 47. What are the instructions given for you all here? Trace and color the square. So you all can see that I have traced the square. Okay, I have completed the square by tracing it. Okay, so in this way only you have to trace the squares and then you have to color all these squares. Okay, आपको ये सारे squares को color भी करना है. Then only this page number 47 will get completed. After this, turn to your next page. Now this is your page number 48. What is given over here? Write S for the square shape objects in the boxes. You can see the objects over here, right? ये सारे objects में से जो square shape object है, उस object के बाजू वाले box में आपको S लिखना है. जो square shape नहीं है उसे नहीं लिखना है. Okay? So let's start with the first object, children. What is this? Board. This is a square shape board. Yes, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, this is the border. Okay, so ये सारे corners, सारे side same है. Yes, so you will write S over here. Okay, S for square. Okay, and what is this? Ball. Which shape is this? Circle. This is not a square, so you will not write over here. Look at this book. ये book square shape है. Yes, इसके साइड सेम है. Yes, so you have to write S over here. Okay, then look at this screen. PC, this is a square. Yes, so you have to write S over here. Okay, Then look over here. इसके साइड सेम है. दिस इज ओपन, दैट्स वाई यू विल से दैट दिस इज नॉट अ स्क्वायर, बट दिस इज अ स्क्वायर. अगर ये बंद होगा देन यू कैन सी all the sides are same. Then you have to write S over here. Okay, then what is this? Window. This is a square. Yes, write S. And this photo frame, which shape is this? Square. So you even over here you have to write S. Okay, so this is your page number 48, in which you have to write S for the square shape objects. Understood? Then come to the next page. This is your page number 49. What you have to do here? Trace the circles and color them orange. Trace the squares and color them blue. Okay, I repeat, trace the circles and color them orange. Trace the squares and color them blue. यहाँ पे this is the picture that is given. Okay, इसमें से what I want you all children is, यहाँ पे सब पे ट्रेसिंग डॉट्स दिया है. सो ट्रेस दिस फुल, जैसे आप देख सकते हो मैंने पूरा ट्रेस किया है. सो यू हैव टू ट्रेस एवरीथिंग. ओके, देन आफ्टर ट्रेसिंग यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सर्कल्स एंड द स्क्वायर. ओके, you have to color the circles with orange color and square with blue color. Now this is not a circle. ये circle पूरा है, ये ऐसे होना चाहिए था फिर ही वो पूरा होता. This is not a circle. Okay, these are the circles and these are the squares. हम यहाँ पे इसके अंदर ये भी कलर नहीं करेंगे. Why? Because this is not a square. इसके साइड सेम नहीं है, ये जॉइंट नहीं है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? सो यू विल कलर दीज स्क्वायर्स एंड दीज सर्कल्स. सर्कल्स विद ऑरेंज कलर एंड स्क्वायर्स विद ब्लू कलर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट ट्रेसिंग एंड देन वी विल कलर. So children, you all can see that I have completed this page. I have colored the circles with orange color and the squares with blue color. ठीक है, आपको भी ऐसे ही करना है on this page number 49. So these were the pages for shape square. Now turn to your next page, page number 50. So on this page, which shape is given? Triangle. Okay, what is a triangle? Object with 3 sides is called as triangle. जैसे मैंने बताया था ना, स्क्वायर में 4 साइड्स होते हैं. ट्राइंगल में मैंने बताया था आपको कितने साइड्स होते हैं? 3 साइड्स. 1 2 3. कोन. लुक हियर, 1 2 3. राइट? सो विच शेप इज दिस? जो ऑब्जेक्ट 3 साइड्स के होते हैं उसे हम कौन सा शेप बोलते हैं? ट्राइंगल. ओके, 1 2 3. Okay children, an object with 3 sides is called as triangle. Okay, now let's see, this is your page number 50. Okay children, now let's see the objects of the triangle shape. Look at this cone, 3 sides, 1 2 3. 3 sides hai, so which shape is this? Triangle. Look at this pastry, 1 2 3. Triangle. Look at this book, 1 2 3. Triangle. Sides, 1 2 3. Okay, look at this, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. 3 sides. So which shape is this? Triangle. So this is your page number 50, in which we have seen the objects of the 3 sides objects, that is triangle. Okay, so children, this is your next page, page number 51. Over here what you have to do, trace and color the triangles. ये जो भी triangles दिए हैं आपको पहले इसे trace करना है और फिर इसे color करना है. Okay, you all can see that I have traced the triangles for you all. Now what you have to do, you have to color all these triangles. Okay, then only this page number 51 will get completed. After this, turn to your next page. This is your page number 52. What is given over here? write T for triangle shape objects in the boxes. ओके यहाँ पे जो भी ट्राइंगल शेप ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए हैं उसे हमें टी लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड? सो लुक एट दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज अ ट्राइंगल शेप ऑब्जेक्ट. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So you will write T over here. Okay, in this way. Now look at this scale. ये ट्राइंगल शेप है? नो. ये 3 sides है? नो. Only 1 side. So we will not write here. Look at this wall clock. Which shape is this? Circle. Right? So will I write T over here? No. Look at this scale. Which shape is this? Triangle. 3 sides है ना? 1, 2, 3. So I will write T over here. Okay? Very good. Now which shape is this, children? Rectangle. ये वाला साइड और ये वाला साइड सेम है. ये साइड और ये साइड सेम है. Okay? Opposite sides are equal. So which shape is this? Rectangle. So should I write T over here? No. Why? Because this is not a triangle. इस पेज में हमें सिर्फ ट्राइंगल ऑब्जेक्ट्स को टी लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड? So this is your page number 52. Now come to the next page, page number 53. So children, in this page number 53, you have to color these shapes according to the instructions given. इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या दिया है? यहाँ पे जो शेप्स दिख रहे हैं ना आपको, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, ट्राइंगल, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, सर्कल, ट्राइंगल. यहाँ पे बोला है ट्राइंगल्स को आपको ब्लू कलर करना है. ओके, दीज 2 ट्राइंगल्स. स्क्वायर को आपको रेड कलर करना है. रेक्टेंगल्स को आपको ग्रीन कलर करना है और सर्कल को आपको ऑरेंज कलर करना है. Okay, you have to color these shapes according to the colors which are given in the instruction box. Okay, so start coloring, children. So everyone can see that I have completed this page by coloring the shapes. Okay, in this way you have to follow the instruction and then you have to color the shapes. Okay, in this page number 53. Now after this you are done with all your 4 shape. Okay, circle, rectangle, square and triangle. Now for the revision, come to the next page, page number 54. Okay, what is given over here? Count and write the number of different shapes. Also color the picture. Okay, यहाँ पे using the different shape this picture is given. You have to काउंट दैट फर्स्ट. यहाँ पे आपको लेफ्ट साइड में देखो शेप्स दिए, उसके नीचे बॉक्स दिया है. सो द फर्स्ट शेप इज ट्राइंगल. काउंट हाउ मेनी ट्राइंगल्स आर हियर एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर. स्क्वायर, सर्कल एंड रेक्टेंगल. ओके, आई विल शो यू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, you have to count the number of shapes in this picture and then you have to write the number in the left side and then you have to also color the picture. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 55. What is given over here? Look at the picture and tick the correct shape. Which shape is this? This page you have to do with your help of your parents. Okay, they will tell the name of the shape over here. Which shape is this? Circle. So this is the circle word, so you have to tick the shape. Okay, now which shape is this? 3 sides. Triangle. So here is the word triangle, so you will tick the word triangle. Now tell me which shape is this? Refrigerator. Rectangle, right? Opposite sides are equal, so here is the word rectangle, you will tick this. Okay, now tell me which shape is this? Square. Here is the word square. All sides are equal, right? So this is your page number 55. So for revision of the shapes, you will practice page number 54 and 55. Remember, in page number 54 आपको ये shapes count करने हैं and then you have to color the picture. Understood, children? Yes. So children, now we are done with the shapes. Now start. Take out your books and start revising, start practicing. And after practicing square and triangle, you have to practice those 2 pages for revising all the shapes. Okay children, thank you. Start practicing in your numeracy book. Bye bye.